Alright, once you have your data collected, you need to do some data analysis on it. And first, you click your file. I'm just going to use this one for an example. So just double left click on it, and this will bring up your data. So this was in the addition of HCl, the propylene oxide folder. If you're doing a different lab, just find your different folder. Alright, so you can notice that this is off scale. These peaks are off the top. So if you go to chromatogram, redraw TIC, that will rescale everything. So one thing that might be useful to find out is what's the ratio of those two peaks? What's the ratio? Because there's obviously two different things present in your solution. If you go to chromatogram and integrate and label peak areas, click on that, and a new chromatogram will show up down below. The little numbers on top, those are the retention times, how long that sample was on the column. But the bigger number down below, that's the actual area of the peak. And so you can see there's an area for this one and an area for that one, and you can use that ratio as your ratio of products. Alright, if you want to get the mass spectrum, the way you do that is right-click on one of the chromatogram peaks and then press select. And what that'll do is it'll bring up the mass spectrum for that particular compound down below. If you want to see the mass spectrum of this one, right-click, select. If you want to print off these, just go to print, TIC and spectrum, so that'll print the chromatogram and the mass spectrum. Press OK, and it'll print that off for you.